This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Repair Specialist, located in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And it is August 4th, 2016. And what we're doing is jacking up the set of steps here. They've already been rebuilt once. You can see that this footing here was the first one, and then this was the second one poured on top of it. And pretty much nothing they've done has worked. So we've put in two piers, one on this side, one on that side, going down to a bedrock base. And this is going to allow us to hopefully get these steps back into place. So let's crank that machine right over there and see if we can get her close. We may have to walk it a little bit at a time. Okay, here we go. Cut that one on. There you go. Okay, cut that one off. We're coming up now. Now we're rolling them. It's a little special trick we do. Cut that one on. There, we're rolling. All right, cut that one off. Let's cut that other one on. Yep. And we're going to keep rolling it back into place here. All right, cut that one on. See how we're doing this? Rolling this thing back into place. Cut that one off. All right, this one back on. And that's it. All right, cut that machine off. So what we have here is what's called a roll-lock brick. There's the flat brick, roll-lock brick, and flat brick. And what we'll do is repair that mortar joint. As you can tell, these mortar joints are really thick. We'll repair that mortar joint, and you'll never be able to tell that this thing is settled. Another quality job done by JSA.